everyone, this is Queen Sua. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have for you a DIY on a perfect gift for a baby shower. So I am currently doing this for my cousin's baby, and it's basically a file documentation organizer that moms would be delightful to have. So it's regarding this expandable folder. I did purchase this from Amazon, which was very affordable. It's a beautiful white and baby pink expandable folder, or as many know it as an accordion, and it basically keeps your baby's documents super organized. My babe. It keeps baby documentations organized, and I included a washi tape because it did have the name brand of this product, and I wanted to add my cousin's baby's name here, but for privacy reason I didn't add it right now. So these normally run for about $40. I know Bye Bye Baby has one, not this cute, but has one for $40 or so. And but what better way to give a gift than adding your personal touch to it and your time, which is priceless. So let's get started. So for this DIY, you're gonna need a filing expander, or also known as a file accordion. And this one I got from Amazon. It does have a handle. As you can see, it's this thick. I'm sorry for the lighting. My son is asleep and I don't want to wake him up. So this is how it looks. It's a button when you press down. And then I went ahead and put in the little color tabs, as well as did some of the labeling already. With that, you are going to need a labeler, and this one is from Dymo. I believe we got this one, let me see if I can get better lighting. I believe we got this one at Staples or Office Depot, one of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue my labeling. I'm actually going to use a lowercase for the other letters. And since this is going to be for a baby shower gift, I am putting receipts and warranties, because when you're a mother and you buy expensive items like a crib or a stroller, you want to make sure you keep your warranty note. So that's why I am printing this out. So it came out through here. Sorry, you can't really see it. So this is how it looks. And then with mine, it has a clear back. So in the first label, I have birth certificate, doctor visits, immunization records, insurance papers, nursing feeding info, milestones, receipt and warranties, as well as you can put whatever else you need.